Amazon just recently launched quite a few different updates in the influencer program space. And one of the questions that seems to really be popping up a lot is what happened to Creator Hub, and how am I supposed to know if I'm a brand new influencer when my on-site commission is unlocked? So, what happened was Amazon has now retired their Creator Hub dashboard. This is the place where we would all go and upload our content. It had a specific URL. It was different from just uploading content through your storefront, and it gave us a lot more information as far as analytics go. Still sparing on the analytics, but there was slightly more in the Creator Hub dashboard. This was also the place where brand new influencers would go to upload their content, and you would see a blue lock screen, right? When you are trying to get your first 3 videos approved for the Amazon Influencer Program. So now everything has moved. If you're brand new, don't worry about Creator Hub. If you are not brand new, you still shouldn't really worry too much about Creator Hub, because really there's nothing we can do about it except to adjust to the changes and roll with the punches of the ever changing Amazon Influencer Program. Now, instead of using the Creator Hub dashboard, you now have to go to the Manage Content page, which Amazon is now calling Creator Studios. And you can get there by either going directly to the link, or you can kind of navigate there from your storefront, whether it be on desktop or on mobile. If you go to your storefront and you're logged in, you can simply just hit create content, and that is the way you'll upload your content. Now, if you're brand new and you don't yet have your first 3 videos approved by Amazon, here's what you want to do. Just go ahead and upload, right? Don't worry about the blue lock. Don't worry about what's happening now, because this is all pretty brand new. And for those newbies who still need to get their first 3 videos approved in order to unlock on-site commission, you still need to go through the process to do that. Now, what we don't know is the exact approval process, and we've never really known the exact approval process from Amazon. However, I'm going to give you a couple tips as to how you can know whether you've been unlocked for on-site commission or not, depending on some of the things that you're able to check. But let's go ahead and dive in. My name is Kathleen Coble, and I am all about teaching you how to earn more money as an Amazon influencer by working smarter and not harder with kids and multiple businesses and all the life things going on. This is really my mantra, and this is how I teach. My goal for you is to be able to learn as much as possible and earn as much as possible. Earn as much as you possibly can with the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, when you're brand new, you need to be approved first for on-site commission through the Amazon Influencer Program in order to be able to upload content that then appears on Amazon for customers to click through, purchase, and then you will earn a commission. Now, with this new interface where we are uploading our content, well, it's not really totally new. Amazon has had it. It's just not quite as good as the old interface. The old interface would tell you that you were locked. You would see a blue lock, and it would say that you are not yet approved for on-site commission. Now, that's just not showing up. Maybe it will in the future, but a lot of people are wondering, how do I know if I'm unlocked for on-site commission or not? And there is no more Creator Hub. So here's how you know, okay? First thing, upload your first 3 videos. That's what you must do first. Second thing is go and check and see if they are published. It will say the status. Are they pending? Are they in review? Have they been rejected? Or are they published? If they're published, yay, that is the first step, is getting those first 3 videos published by Amazon, okay? So now we're trying to figure out how exactly do we know if we've been approved for on-site commission. And really, the only way to know for sure is to see if your videos appear on the product pages. Also, see if you start earning with on-site commission on that side, right? So the way that you can see if your products are on the product listing pages is to go to the actual product listing page on Amazon. So you're able to navigate through that because you are tagging one product per video for your first 3 videos. And if you need some additional help, make sure you watch my free masterclass at kathleenkoble.com/masterclass. And that's going to give you the step-by-step instructions on how to get this done. Okay. So check that out if you're still wondering how exactly to create those first 3 videos, what are the rules, and the masterclass really sets you up for success as far as getting those first 3 videos approved the first time. Lots of pro tips. So check out that free masterclass. Now, once you are in there, it says published, okay? Click on the product page that you have tagged in each one of your videos. Here's the question. Does your video show up on the product page? If the answer is yes, that is a 100% confirmation that you have been approved for on-site commission, okay? Yay, congratulations. Now, if it is not, that doesn't necessarily mean you haven't been approved. I would say to check all 3 of your listings first. Check all 3 of those videos that are tagged to those 3 different product listings, because if you see one but not on the other 2, you've still been approved for on-site commission. Okay, so as long as there's one, so check all 3 of those. If you're not seeing your video on any of the product listing pages, you may just want to open a support ticket with Amazon and ask them, hey, have I been approved for on-site commission yet? It's really important that you get approved for on-site commission so that you can earn as much money as possible with this program. That is really the best way to earn, is to be approved for uploading your content directly to Amazon for those customers to be able to decide whether they want to purchase the item or not simply by watching your video, which then lives on Amazon. Another way you can check is if you have a third-party software. My preference is Fluencer Fruit, and so Fluencer Fruit will tell me where my videos have been placed. Are they in the upper carousel, the lower carousel? Are they in the second top placement or the third lower placement? And so I always refer back to my software Fluencer Fruit just to make sure that my videos are being placed exactly where I want them to be on the product listing pages from Amazon. It's very possible that this will get updated in the future. Maybe Amazon will give us some confetti signs. Maybe Amazon will put that blue lock back in place if you're not yet approved for on-site commission. We don't really know because this is really a very new change, but there's been a lot of questions surrounding this. How do I know if I'm unlocked for on-site commission when there's no blue lock? So those are the ways to find out, right? First off, make sure the video is published status. Second off, if it's published, go to those product listing pages that you have tagged in each one of your videos and see if your video appears. Third thing, if you have the software, Fluencer Fruit or an equivalent, you can go check that way. That software will tell you if your video has been placed on the product listing page. And if you don't want to invest in the software yet because you're still brand new, that's okay too. Option number 4 is to just open up a support ticket with Amazon. I recommend chatting with them if you can over email because you will get a response right away. If you need to, you can send an email, but open up chat support and just simply ask them. So if you found this helpful, I would love if you would just give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel where I post every single week new videos that will help you earn more with the Amazon Influencer Program. We also do weekly live streams where you can come and get your questions answered every single week by me and by our very supportive community who really just wants to see you succeed. So until next time, keep on earning.